to the piano studio of Lisa Bailey as we continue our series on the circle of fifths. This has been incredible. You have learned so much in our time together. So let's review the 5-finger scales that we've worked on. There's a lot, so let's see if I can remember. So we've done C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, also called G flat, and C sharp, also called D flat. I almost forgot what that one was called. So our new one today is going to be A flat, and I can't wait to dive into this with you. Let's review what we did in our last video. So working on the C sharp 5-finger scale, also known as the D flat 5-finger scale. So we had C sharp, whole step, half step, whole step. And then our left hand does the same thing. So C sharp, whole step, half step, whole step. Now we have to move a fifth because we're doing the circle of fifths. So from this note to the top of our 5-finger scale is a fifth. Okay, so starting with our thumb on another black key. Now this black key, remember our enharmonic notes? This note also has an enharmonic. So it can be either called G sharp or A flat. Remember that sharps go up, flats go down. We are going to call it A flat for this video. So let's find our whole steps and half steps for the A flat 5-finger scale. So we have A flat, then we go whole step, half step, whole step. So here we go, A flat, whole step, half step, whole step. So let's listen to the right hand and watch the right hand. Ooh, that sounds very pretty. All right, let's do the left hand. So remember, we were on C sharp in the last one. We're going a fifth. So our pinky goes on the A flat. So let's find our whole steps and half steps. So A flat, whole step. I almost said half step again. Here's our half step. And then whole step. So A flat, whole step, half step, whole step. So let's listen to that all together. Very good. This one is similar to the C sharp, also known as the D flat 5-finger scale, in how our hands are positioned. We have 2 black keys on the bottom, 2 black keys on the top, and a white note right in the middle. So it's going to be a similar hand shape. Remember to stay in the black keys so that your thumbs and your pinkies can reach the black keys that they need. So now that you have mastered hands separately, let's do hands together. Very nice. And as you know, my favorite is the contrary motion. So let's do contrary. Very good. Okay, you know what time it is. It is time for some improvisation. All right, the A 5-finger scale. Let's take one hand, so you can use either left hand or right hand, and experiment with some long notes or some short notes. You can even just do the 5-finger scale in order for your improvisation. There's nothing wrong with that. Try some skipping notes. Take a few minutes, pause the video, and try out some improvisation on your own. And when you're ready, come back and we'll do the accompaniment together. Our accompaniment today this week is in 3/4 time signature, just like last video. And I'm gonna count to 3. I'm gonna give you 2 measures of 3 so we can come in together. All right, so get those fingers on the keys that you want in your A flat 5-finger scale. And I'm gonna count us in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. You completely rocked that A flat 5-finger scale and the improvisation. I am so proud of you. Remember to go back and review all of the other 5-finger scales that we've worked on in the circle of fifths so that you don't forget how those go, and remember where all of the black keys under your fingers go for the ones that need black keys. I can't wait to see you in the next video.